welcome to the Exploding Watermelon Challenge. I think it's something like that. We're here with David and Rach and Tucky and Tel and Adam. Yes, and it's gonna be guys against the girls, and we have our honorary watermelon holders over here. They're really small, it's November, and yeah, we're gonna see what happens. If we run out of watermelons, this might be very anticlimactic. You mean rubber bands?
Hopefully we're not
exactly. Okay. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started. On your marks, get set, go!
Adam's cheating. Adam's cheating.
Keep it in like
Adam's stop cheating.
Oh, wait, not cheating.
5 at a time.
Y'all are losing. Y'all are losing.
Rich, I got 5. You got this.
Layered?
There's a really itty bitty one that's not like a bed.
That's the next one. I can be really.
I mean,
Make sure you put it in, like, in the middle more.
No.
But you guys have David.
Yes.
He's ripped. And he's sitting over there holding that watermelon.
No, I
You're
Just keep him like, keep his layer on top of each other.
Yeah, layer them. Layer them. Come on, gals.
Sorry. Come in. I refuse to learn it.
Don't you?
Well, then you better start layering.
Stop trying. They're killing us. What's going on with that rubber band? I should take it off.
Hey,
but I
you're
can't
cheating.
stop. Swim! You're not even down there.
Wow, this is really cool.
Ah!
That just turned like really violent really quick.
He's just trying to make my head explode.
Curses!
Okay, but add one and wait.
Do not point it this way! Do not point it this way!
It looked like
Okay, I
don't want to hold it!
give us fair
It's not gonna like explode.
Are you sure?
Splits. Oh god, that was hurt.
Oh, you okay? That was hurt.
Where it hurt.
6 college kids die in watermelon.
Watermelon fiasco. There's sweat dripping from my nose.
Did someone track you guys in your Snapchat?
Probably.
But she was doing this.
Thanks.
Wow.
That was mean.
She says sitting in a room full of her friends. Beautiful friends, might I
You're
add.
looking at 4 of them right now.
5.
Oh, that noise scared me. I was like, oh. David.
Well,
Focus.
what do you want? I'm not doing anything. I'm
Rach
not.
is
You're also not like in my way.
There's 2 inches on your watermelon, and 1 on theirs.
I don't see you over here trying to explode a watermelon with rubber bands.
No one offered.
This one's not stretchy enough.
Gonna like get shot in the chest. Yeah, don't try to. That'll knock the breath out of you. Concussive blast. Is that a big one?
Oh, I don't know about that.
We don't
Guys,
need
we
the
should
pressure.
sing
We
a
just want
song. Yeah, we should sing
You
a
should
song.
sing this
it.
one.
Let's not sing a song.
What song should we sing? How do you get to choose?
Okay. Sound of silence.
No! Wait. I thought you were about to get the sound of music. I made it. Sorry. Am I doing it? Yeah.
We're doing the disturbed version. The lyrics are the same. We just don't. Yeah, I know, but we were in there. We were, because I'm not a tenor.
Hey now! You can't hey now! Tell.
Hey,
go get it!
Hey now! This is my dream.
I'm made up.
Let's stop this. Let's stop singing.
Somebody to love.
Me and my cousin used to watch that all the time because we both thought the other one liked it.
That's funny.
Hey.
You just flinched like I was gonna hit you!
You guys are a little afraid.
It's definitely warping a little. David is hindering
Look at ours. It's about to come flush. Watch her shoot out of the rubber bands. Not even much.
That would be cool.
Actually, it's both to the point where that won't happen.
There's juice!
We have juice?
Oh, I did it!
Get shit out of
Are you sure?
Yo, this is gonna be
Dang!
Okay, look at
He won!
Not good.
Yeah.
Doesn't taste good?
No.
No. We don't need your help. Go away, Rachel.
Our Ryan must be like a lot thicker than y'all.
Sure.
Oh,
Specific.
Did it feel weird?
It's crunchy.
Yeah. When it shot out, like it felt great. It was so cool.
Ours is much more violent. Oh my god.
Pretty great.
Thank you so much. Be sure to check out Tel's channel, BoyTime. It's awesome.
Classic.
All right, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.